You invested into a website with a clear goal to bring you more business. But instead of phone calls, you hear crickets. There may be two reasons behind it. One, no one can find your website on search engines like Google or Bing. And two, the customer journey on your website is not compelling nor converting visitors into clients. Today I'm here to help you understand the importance of SEO and how to structure the customer journey on your website so it performs to its fullest. SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, and in short it represents the processes and techniques implemented on and off your website to rank it on top of search engines like Google. You can have fabulously designed websites, but without the SEO strategy in place, you will struggle to reap the fruit of online marketplace. People conduct trillions of searches every year, and those numbers are continuously growing. Studies show that 90% of people find the company they want to work with on the first page of results. Think about when you're looking for a product or service in your area. Let's say you're looking for underpinning for your property. Most likely you'll turn to Google and type what you're looking for, which will be an underpinning company in Northampton. Now it's time to choose which company from the list you're going to contact. And like we said, most likely you will never reach the second page of the results. If you're anywhere beyond the first page of Google listings, you're missing on the opportunity to generate a lot of inquiries through the online traffic. Without an SEO strategy to help increase the visibility of your website, nobody is going to find it. So how to rank higher on search engines? To start with, we establish your goals, clients' needs, and services or terms called keywords that you want your business to be found for. Knowing this information allows us to create a long-term SEO strategy that's tailored to your business goals and milestones. After that, we can start creating valuable and engaging content that is also optimized for the desired keywords. This can be done in the form of product descriptions, blog posts, or in-depth service pages. Not only that, we also have to look at your current on-page SEO optimization and often fix misplaced foundations like title tags, meta descriptions, H1 tags, or tags hierarchy. The lack of technical on-page SEO implementation is often one of the reasons that many websites are not even indexed by Google. The time frame to start seeing results from SEO hugely depends on many factors like your goals, your domain age, your current on-page SEO optimization, and most importantly, your competition. For established websites, it can even take as little as 3 to 6 months to start getting some really great results from SEO. Though for new websites, it can take anywhere between 6 and 12 months to start seeing results, which depends on the before mentioned factors. Even the most impressively designed websites won't perform as expected without optimizing and building strong foundations. Hence, our web design and SEO services include on-page technical SEO implementation. Not only that, we can assist you with optimizing your existing platform so it starts performing. If you need quick results, you can combine Google Ads with SEO. Google Ads is a great solution if you need to drive traffic to your website immediately. Google Ads allow you to bid against other companies within your industry and showcase your website on top of organic results with an ad symbol next to it. Though Google Ads are effective, it's advisable to use them as a short-term solution or a part of a long-term SEO or digital marketing strategy. The advantage of having an SEO strategy is that as soon as your website starts showing on top of the list, you won't have to rely on daily budget for paid advertisement. Your organic position will generate consistent stream of visitors onto your website, which means more inquiries and more revenue. And that's the reason why continuously working on SEO and improving user experience on your platform is crucial for keeping your business on top of Google results. To sum up, Google Ads are great to generate a stream of website visits and therefore inquiries, but they should be used as a part of your digital marketing strategy rather than as its foundation. Okay, so we established why your customers may not find you online and what successful companies do to dominate the online marketplace. But what if they do find you and they still don't buy from you? The purpose of SEO is to captivate ready-to-buy prospects searching for your services online. You could say it's the first step to start the conversation between you and the potential client. Then your website has to communicate your offer and turn those visitors into customers. That's why even the trendiest website with the fanciest features won't do much if it's lacking A, an SEO strategy, and B, it doesn't have a structure that allows your customers to get to know your unique selling points and the advantages they get while working with you. To convert visitors into customers, your website needs a smashing copy that's SEO optimized, is naturally flowing, and is aligned with your brand's messaging. Old school techniques like keyword stuffing should be avoided, as Google is penalizing the websites that abuse it. The content that goes onto your website should be not only algorithm friendly, but also engaging and informative for the user that's gonna read it. Your website needs CTAs at the right time and at the right place. CTA stands for call to action, and similarly to keywords, CTAs shouldn't be overused, and they need to be placed at the strategical and well-thought drop-off points throughout your website content. Social proof, whether it's Google reviews, Trustpilot reviews, or kind words you received via email from your past customers, it's crucial for trust-building process to implement those elements onto your website. On average, online shoppers deciding on higher ticket expenditures or investments go through at least 10 reviews before deciding on the company they want to work with. Last but not least, on-brand and user-friendly design. Your customers are expecting a certain design and experience while scrolling through your website. So if you're a raving fan of Apple products, you're expecting a totally different design and experience while going on their website than from a website of your local landscaper or builder. That's why when designing a website, we first focus on understanding the user experience and their expectations. And it's crucial for any web designer to understand the client avatar before designing the website, so they can create the most effective customer acquisition tool, the website itself. Otherwise, even if a prospect finds your website thanks to SEO, they most likely won't get a great first impression. They may get confused with an unintuitive design and information scattered around, and they won't build enough trust in your business. Your visitor will bounce off your website and get in touch with your competition. That's why combining SEO strategy with on-point copywriting, on-brand design, and flawless user experience is the best way to turn your website into a digital selling powerhouse. Okay, so this was a quick rundown of why SEO strategy comes hand in hand with user experience and sales-oriented website structure. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm happy to assist and answer any questions. This was Matt from AKW Design. Thanks for watching and catch you soon.